Whether you purchased fake followers in the past or you don't know why your engagement is so low and you suspect you have a lot of bots following you, in this video I'm going to show you the secret tool that all of these people on Fiverr are using. And if you're watching this and you're one of those Fiverr providers, I'm sorry for exposing this information. I feel like people deserve to know it. Bot and ghost followers can destroy your engagement. As soon as you post something, Instagram tests that post to your current followers, your current audience. And if it's testing that post to people that are not going to see or interact with your post, it is going to stop putting that post out to a wider audience, therefore limiting your reach and limiting your engagement. So the number one way to speed up your engagement is through removing these fake followers, these bot followers, and anyone who is unengaged. Now, in the past, this was really hard to do. You had to run an analysis on your account with some software, and it would give you a report, and you'd go through each of these people one by one on your Instagram account, clicking remove follower, remove follower, remove follower. And sometimes you can have tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of these people. So this can take months to do by hand, and you don't have the time to do that. So what are the solutions? You can go on Fiverr and hire one of these people to use the tool that I'm about to show you how to use, or you can hire a VA to follow through that list and remove followers one at a time, but this can take a long time. All right, let's get into it. What is this tool and how do you use it? By the way, if you want to try this tool out, the link to sign up for it is right down in the description of this video with a discount code, so you can sign up, save some money. And let me tell you, I searched for weeks to figure out what these Fiverr providers were doing, what tool that they were using to automate this service, and there is absolutely no good option. There are old apps that no longer work. There are old services. This is the only tool that I've found that actually does it, and I've tested it for weeks, and it does exactly what you want it to do. All right, so what is this tool? All right, so this is instahero.io. Right now I've got it switched to English, which is what I recommend you use it in, unless you're Russian, in which case enjoy. So this is a Russian tool, so don't be alarmed if you start getting emails from them in Russian, but it does work quite well, and it's the only thing that does work. So they do give you a free basic analysis. You just have to enter your email here, but first let's talk about what this tool can actually do. It'll rate your profile based on your followers. It will give you detailed analytics about where your followers are from and how inactive they are. Deleting bots, that's what we're here to do today, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you want to do ongoing monitoring of your account to figure out if you're getting any new bots, and so you can remove them, it can monitor. It can protect your account from spam, such as spammy likes, spammy comments. So if you're a major account and you're just getting all of these spammy comments on your posts, this tool can remove that spam. All right, so take the first step, go ahead and enter your email, and then you'll create an account, and this is what it's going to look like in the back end. So when you add a new account, it's going to say nickname. This is the English translation. I'm going to go ahead and do my podcast account, which has a lot of fake followers because I bought this account from somebody else. So once you add this account to it, it's going to do a basic analysis. It has to be a public profile so that I can actually look at the followers of that account, analyze them. The free audit, which only does about 20% of your followers, and it does not give you a PDF report, or the standard audit. If you want to remove bots, I highly recommend paying for that standard audit. It's actually very affordable, and that price is going to vary based on how many followers that it has to analyze. Once it is done analyzing, it's going to give you your number of subscribers. It's going to break down your profile rating, and then if you come down, it's going to show you your audience analysis. So here's the breakdown of my audience, and here's the profile analysis of all of the bots and mass followers that exist. So mass followers are people who are following 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 people. These people are going to be likely not to see your content. Private profiles, inactive profiles, again, these are good ones to remove. Foreign, maybe, and commercial profiles. Now, this is actively removing bots from my profile right now, and I'm going to show you how that works in just a second. During this analysis phase, it will show you how many bots it thinks exists. It does this based on several different parameters, and you can actually set those parameters. I found that their automatic tool to detect bots is actually quite strong. So it detected 864 bots out of my 4,100 followers. That does not necessarily mean that you bought those followers. In fact, the reason I searched this tool is someone was attacking my account. They were adding fake followers to me, and there's nothing that I could do except go to private and start cleaning them. All right, so here's how you actually start removing these bots. Once the analysis is done, you'll come into removing bots section. You'll obviously have to pay more for this. This is a monthly fee. So there's several different settings that you can choose from: automatic, manual, by category. I leave it as automatic because it's actually quite good. So under automatic, here are the bots that it found. There are 536 remaining. I definitely recommend that you open up a couple of these accounts and make sure that you agree with the bots that it deemed as bots. So this one was put as a bot, frankly, because they have 3,318 following. That's quite a bit, but not necessarily someone that I would want to remove. So you could come to manual setting and really fine tune who you want it to remove. So for example, number of followings between 4,000 and 7,000. So if you only want to remove the people that are mass, you can do it like this. And then you can also say who will not be removed. So I do not want to remove, for example, close friends, mutual subscribers, active subscribers. It knows who's actually active, availability of stories, links and description. These are all important variables that help you determine whether an account is in fact bots, spam, or inactive. Direct contacts, business profiles. All right, so I don't want to remove these people. So now it's collecting data and filtering those results. So let's see if these are people that I definitely want to remove. So if he's following 5,000 people, the chances that he sees my posts are highly unlikely. So I do want to go ahead and remove that person. So I do agree with these. These are all people who are following too many people, and I'd like to get rid of them. But it's only 13 people, so I might want to expand my parameters a little bit more. But this is where you can play with it so that you're really only removing people that you absolutely are certain that you want to remove. All right, once you've got these settings exactly where you want them, you would scroll all the way down and set the number of deletions per day. Now you can delete up to 100 per day relatively safely. I like to keep it well under 100, and it's collecting data right now. Now, while it's collecting data, I'm going to show you how to connect your account so that you can actually start removing these bots. This is the hard part, so please pay attention. So in order to remove bots, you will need to authorize the account, meaning the software needs to be logged into your Instagram account. And this can raise a lot of red flags, especially once automated actions start happening. Now, with that being said, Instagram is very lax about removing followers. So it's not like automated engagement, it's not automatic follow-unfollow. You're just removing people that you don't want following your account. So the limits are much higher, and you're much less likely to get in trouble. As you can see on the left of all of these accounts, this has a green lock, which means it's authorized. Now, when you're authorizing an account, you want it to look like it's logging in from a mobile phone in your country. For that reason, you do not want to just go here and authorize without adding a proxy. So what is a proxy? This is an IP address that you can purchase that looks like it's logging in from a mobile phone in your country. So you're going to come to elitesocks.com. There's going to be a link down in the description so that you can go to that website and then follow these instructions. Click on the mobile. First, you're going to want to top up your balance, add some money here, then go to mobile, and then find your country. I use these UK proxies because they're affordable for 30 days, and you'll add that to cart. Now, once you purchase the proxy, it'll show up here like this with an IP address and an authorization. You'll set a login, username, and password. So once you have that proxy, here's how you're going to set it up. You're going to click on these three dots next to your account. You're going to go to proxy, and instead of auto proxy, you're going to change to your proxy. Now it looks like it just reset mine, but here's what you're going to do. You're going to grab that IP address and paste it here. Now what we have is the host, and this after the colon is the port. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and put the port here. Then your username and password. Once you have that all set up, you'll go ahead and hit check, success. Now you can save. Now your proxy is saved and you can authorize. So once your proxy is in here, you'll click to authorize, enter your Instagram username and password with your country. I like to say USA because I'm logging in from the USA. It might also be a good idea to purchase a proxy in one of these countries. I do USA and it works just fine. Awesome. Now your account is authorized. We're going to come into removing bots. I'm going to come to my automatic setting, and then once this data collection is finished processing, you'll be able to click enable here. Now you will have to purchase this as a separate plan, and to purchase it you can do that right in here under payment, removing bots, 30 days for $10. All right, once the data collection is done, you'll click start removing. Now it's started successfully, and you can watch the history of deletions here. As you can see, it is in Russian. So I'm going to go ahead and translate to English and then translate full page. And now I can see what it's really doing. So here's a history of my tasks of it actively removing these bots from my profile. And this will run while you sleep, and you'll be able to continuously remove those inactive users and bots from your Instagram account. So this is what nobody is teaching you on YouTube. I do not sell this as a service. All that I ask is, if you find this information valuable, to subscribe to my channel and to use my affiliate links when purchasing your proxies and signing up for instahero.io. I also want to preface that I am not responsible if anything happens to your Instagram account as a result of using these services. I've showed you the safest way to operate this, and I do think it's going to be a net positive in terms of risk and reward. By removing those bots and removing those spam followers, you're going to increase your engagement and make your account much more profitable. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.